This beautiful move-in ready split-bedroom ranch home with a 3-car garage and a fenced-in backyard might be exactly what you've been searching for. This well-maintained home features a spacious living room, dining area, and kitchen. The primary bedroom has a luxurious private bath complete with a double vanity, low threshold shower, and a spacious walk-in closet. The additional 2 bedrooms and 1.5 baths are spacious with comfort in mind. The living room features a large window providing tons of natural light. The kitchen features vast cabinet space, a full-size walk-in pantry, and recently installed backsplash. Enjoy gathering around the table in the dining area, overlooking the patio and fenced-in backyard with fire pit. Outside, the 6-foot vinyl fence provides a secluded backyard space that's perfect for privacy, entertaining, and relaxing. This home's location is perfectly situated east of Columbia City, just a 20-minute drive to Fort Wayne and a 30-minute drive to Warsaw. With this home, you get the best of both worlds, a quiet, serene setting with the conveniences of the city within arm's reach. Don't wait. Call Jane Shady for a private tour of this amazing home.